Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn to live alone happily. First, acknowledge that living alone offers unique opportunities for personal growth and self-discovery. Next, focus on creating a comfortable and personalized living environment that truly feels like home. Finally, understand that building a fulfilling life alone involves intentional effort and a positive mindset. This guide will help you navigate this exciting chapter. Living independently means taking charge of your life. Start by mastering practical skills, from cooking healthy meals to handling minor repairs. This builds confidence and reduces reliance on others. Next, create a personal schedule that balances work, relaxation, and social activities. Remember, independence isn't about isolation. It's about making conscious choices that benefit you. Enjoy the freedom to shape your days. While living alone, maintaining social connections is crucial for happiness. Make an effort to reach out to loved ones and schedule regular meetups or calls. Explore community activities, like a book club or a fitness class, to meet new people. Building a diverse support network prevents feelings of loneliness and provides a sense of belonging. Remember, a strong social circle enhances your independent life. Prioritizing your mental and physical health is paramount when living alone. Dedicate time each day to activities that bring you joy and reduce stress, whether it's reading, exercising, or pursuing a creative hobby. Ensure you maintain a balanced diet and get sufficient sleep. Remember, self-care is not selfish. It's essential for a happy and sustainable independent life. Check the description for a link to these meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.